What's your name?
My name is Maria.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have two children.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
Where do you live?
I live in Madrid.
What's your address?
It's 10 Main Street.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What's the date today?
It's May 15th.
How's your day?
It's good, thanks.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little bit.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free now.
How's the weather?
It's cold and rainy.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What do you want to eat?
I want pizza.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need water.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have bread and tea.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Is the food good?
Yes, it's delicious.
Do you eat meat?
No, I'm vegetarian.
What do you drink?
I drink juice.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Can I help you?
Yes, I need a shirt.
What size do you need?
I need size medium.
What color do you want?
I want blue.
Do you have this in small?
Yes, here you are.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Where is the bathroom?
It's over there.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is here.
Do you like it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Where is the bus stop?
It's on Main Street.
What time does the bus come?
It comes at 9 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go by train. Is it far from here? No, it's very close.
How long does it take?
It takes 20 minutes.
Where is the station?
It's next to the bank.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small car.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Is there a taxi here?
Yes, there's one outside.
Which way is the airport?
Go straight ahead.
Where is the bank?
It's on the corner.
Is there a pharmacy near here?
Yes, it's across the street.
Where is the supermarket?
Turn left at the traffic light.
How far is the hospital?
It's about 2 kilometers.
Is the post office open?
Yes, until 5 p.m.
Where's the nearest ATM?
It's next to the cafe.
Can you show me on the map?
Yes, we are here.
Is this the right way?
Yes, keep going straight.
Where is the hotel?
It's behind the museum.
Is the library close?
Yes, it's 5 minutes away.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play football.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim well.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, every evening.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is cooking.
Do you play music?
Yes, I play guitar.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love action movies.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What do you do on Sunday?
I relax at home.
Do you travel?
Yes, I travel sometimes.
How's your family?
They're fine. Thank you.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Anna.
How old is your son?
He's 5 years old.
Where does your sister live?
She lives in London.
Do you see your friends often?
Yes, every weekend.
Is your father working?
Yes, he's a doctor.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live alone.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
What does your brother do?
He's a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you repeat that?
Yes. What's your name?
How do you say this in English?
You say book.
Do you study English?
Yes, every day.
Is this correct?
Yes, that's right.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, no problem.
What does this mean?
It means hello.
Do you have any questions?
No, I understand. Thank you.